Welcome to our channel One to Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos to help you guys fix a problem step by step. And in today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can log in into a luxury casino account. It's pretty simple, so follow the steps. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, hit that subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. First step, you want to search for a luxury casino login. After you search for it, the first option, luxury casino, you want to click on it. Once you do that, it's going to bring you to its official page. Once you're over here, where it says click here to log in, click on it and it's going to bring you to the login page. And once you're in this page, it says account registration, but we already have an account, so we are going to choose this option over here at the bottom. And over here, once the login page opens up, where it says username, enter the username of your account. Where it says password, enter the password of your account and click on login, and you should be able to log in into your luxury casino account. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit that subscribe to our channel One to Step. I'll see you guys next time.